Best orange cake recipe, the 4-3-2-1 cake. This recipe is very easy to remember, very easy to make, yet very delicious. It's spongy, tender, and you don't need a mixer to make it. We will make it with a whisk. The texture is amazing. You can see how spongy it is. Yalla, put your apron and let's start. In a bowl, start to sift 3 cups of flour. Add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and sift all the ingredients together. After done sifting, make sure you mix the ingredients very well. Put it aside and bring a bigger bowl. Break 4 eggs at room temperature. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar. Add the zest of the oranges you will use in this recipe. You will have to whisk minimum for 5 minutes until you see a creamy texture for the eggs. When it looks like this, add 2 cups of sugar and continue mixing. Whisk for 3 to 4 more minutes until the batter gets this color and the sugar starts to dissolve in the eggs. Now add 1 cup of orange juice at room temperature. Make sure you strain it from any pulp. Add it to the batter. Then add 1 cup of vegetable oil. Mix the ingredients together and now we will have to add the dry ingredients. Add it into 2 batches. Mix the flour with the batter but don't overmix. We want to get rid of any lumps from the flour, but at the same time we don't want to overmix the batter. The consistency of the batter should look like this. Finally, with a spatula, make sure there is no flour in the bottom of the bowl. Brush your pan or cake mold with some butter and sprinkle some flour over it. Get rid of any excess flour, then pour the batter into the pan. Now to a preheated oven 180 degrees Celsius. On the middle rack, the heat from the bottom. It needs 40 minutes on average, but it might take less or more. It depends on your oven. When you're using a white pan like this, make sure the oven is not more than 180 degrees so it doesn't burn from the top. I love eating the cake while it's hot. It's very delicious. I couldn't wait. You can see how spongy this cake is. It's very delicious and very successful. The orange smell and taste in this cake is amazing. Your kitchen and your home will smell like childhood. It's very cozy, very delicious. You should try it. Let me know your opinion. صحتين وهنا.